Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's video focuses on a company code issue. Let's dive in. We're creating a new material in MM01. After selecting basic views and entering our plant, an error pops up. Company code 005 doesn't exist or isn't fully maintained. How do we fix this? Simply head to OMSY transaction. Type /m OMSY to get started. Here you'll confirm and see the company code linked with the plant. Notice the missing year and period. These need editing. It's already open in another tab for me. I'll close the other tab and try editing again. Now I can edit. In the year column, I enter 2026. With 2026 entered, next is the period. In the PE column, I'll type the month, which is 6. I'll save it. A warning appears saying the period end is in the past, but it's just a warning. I press enter. The data is saved. Returning to material creation in MM01, I'll name the material like car 1 and press enter. Entering the plant, I type 005 and hit enter. It seamlessly takes me into the material management window ready for details. The error's resolved. That's how to fix the error. The material management and finance link was missing due to the company's time period and year not being set. Now it's resolved. If you need assistance with SAP issues or encounter bugs, feel free to share them with me. I'm here to help you tackle any problems you're facing.